speech preparation. How to prepare a speech for 15th August or Independence Day. That is going on in every school and colleges. Most of the students are busy, might be busy in these days. So this video will be of great help to them, those who are preparing themselves for the 15th August. तो गाइज हम पहले स्पीच के पहले जैसे बिगिनिंग होता है, व्हेन यू विल कॉल ऑन द स्टेज यू विल कम, तो उसमें आपको बोलना है गुड मॉर्निंग. You have to say good morning to all of your friends or audience. You have to say good morning, and then if you are in a school or institution, academic institution, you will say honorable principal sir, respected teacher sir, and my dear fellow friends, my dear students. ऐसे करके बोलना है. Honorable principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear fellow friends or my dear students. अब इसके बाद जो है ये एड्रेस देने के बाद आपको अपना परिचय देना है. आई एम अनूप सिंह ऑफ क्लास 11. आप अपना परिचय दीजिए बिकॉज यू आर द स्टूडेंट, बट यू हैव टू डिस्टिंग्विश योर सेल्फ so far as your class is concerned. So you will tell the name of class, that is your class 11 student, and you are Anup Singh. And then as Anup Singh आपको सबको क्या करना होगा? I wish all of you a happy Independence Day. I wish all of you, I wish you a happy Independence Day to all of you. ऐसे भी कह सकते हो, I wish all of you a happy Independence Day, ऐसे बोल सकते हो. या और इसके बाद इसको आप बढ़ाइएगा. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day this year. So what if 75, 78? So we have to. Then this point goes over and come to next point. It's brief history. So in brief history, you will say that much water has been flown under the bridge of time since we get independence from the clutches of the British Empire after nearly 200 years on 15th August 1947. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great leader, great freedom fighter, and he was the leading character of that freedom movement. So he came forward and one day and he exclaimed, "Tryst with Destiny." Tryst with Destiny was the first lecture जिसमें Tryst with Destiny मतलब अपने प्रेमिका से मिलने का एक समय है. तो हमारी आज़ादी क्या है? एक प्रेमिका से मिलने का एक समय जो लोग सालों से इंतज़ार करते रहते हैं. प्रेमिका से मिलने का समय या मिलन को लोग सालों से, बहुत दिनों से याद करते हैं. तो ट्रिस्ट विद डेस्टिनी, हम अपने भाग्य के साथ मिलना चाह रहे हैं, हमारा भाग्य के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट है. तो इस नाम से ये जो है फेमस हुआ था लेक्चर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का. और ये बहुत फेमस लेक्चर है. यू कैन रिपीट एज अ हिस्ट्री एट द स्ट्रोक ऑफ मिडनाइट आवर. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the whole world sleep, India awakes to life and freedom. ये बहुत चर्चित ये लेक्चर हुआ, बहुत दिनों तक इसको लोग कहते रहे. This was पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू announcement amidst the clappings and the roars of the people sitting in the Constituent Assembly. तो ये आपको हो गया अचीव ये इसका हिस्ट्री की. We were under the British rule, and after a long time and after long effort and after long sacrifice we have been able to get freedom. and that was on 15th August 1947. Third point is achievement. So we have covered a long journey of freedom. Since 78 years is a long time, and in that period we enjoyed it greatly. We enjoyed the freedom, we enjoyed fraternity and liberty, and a lot of development took place in almost all walks of life. Transportation has become very easy, smooth. Communication has become very quick, fast. Agriculture more productive. Mills and factories increased in number and productivity also. Self-independent in food. Now we have no dearth of food. We have plenty of food. So this is to be mentioned. Production are using solar energy, हम लोग use कर रहे हैं. Science has developed, technology has developed, and so the country has developed. Its village has changed, town has been changed. So lot of things came under this view. Say 78 years is not a very short time. It's a long time, long year, and lot of change has come. Science and technology has given better health. Science and technology has given better communication. Science and technology has given better India, and the image of our country has also brightened. Say there was time when we seldom used to go neighboring country, but it is now our frequent habit to go to other countries, enjoy there and then come back. So lot of changes took place, and we are happily enjoying it. So as we enjoyed this comforts which science has given to us, and freedom that is our democracy has given to us. So but we had suffered also. We enjoyed greatly and suffered greatly. When we suffered, that after we got independence in 1962, China attacked India, and then we had nothing. We suffered a lot. Our lands were occupied, and then anyhow we managed. Then Pakistan, we had 3 war with Pakistan. There we had lot of damage in men and materials, and then after that we have just come up. But again, science and technology has helped us to stand together, so that we have a lot of things to take care. And then if we have achievements, we have shortcomings also. We have shortcomings. Shortcomings kya hai? We have been, of course, free. We acquired a lot of freedom, but in certain spheres of life we have not developed. We have developed intellectually sometimes. We have not developed morally. So still India is a country of corrupt people. In education has not been able to change people. They are corrupt. They tell lies, and they cheat, and corruption is there. So that we have not. That we cannot say is our plus point. Negative point is there, that morally we have not very much developed. And then again also we have so many superstitions, so many rigid systems of caste, dowry, and so many systems of which we are still slave. अभी भी हम उसके गुलाम हैं. अभी भी हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, or knowingly, unknowingly we suffer because of that, and it is still in there. This caste system है, अभी भी है इंडिया में, यूपी, बिहार, other places also. That is the worst thing. अभी untouchability है. One is superior or inferior because one is born in certain family. That is the worst thing is there. And then we are spending a lot of time in a superstition, in superstitious belief rather than in scientific invention. हम दिमागी रूप से जो है वो बिल्कुल अभी गुलाम हैं. हमने पढ़ाई किया है लेकिन हमने तर्क नहीं सीखा है, लॉजिक नहीं सीखा है. हम अपने ज्ञान से लोगों को जीत नहीं पाए हैं. अभी भी हमारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़, our university is not even under 300 good universities of the world. Even we are suffering. Our education is not up to global mark. So many things are there we have to look into. And then we have to come to task ahead. Task ahead means, that is, what is that we have to do? We have to change our character. Scientifically, science and technology of course has gone up. Artificial intelligence, so many new things have come, and that is going to change our life very fast in a very short time. So we have to be ready for that. Task ahead is that we should be reasonable. We should think and we should reason. We shall argue logically. We come to reply logically, and we think in a reasonable way, not blindly. So, and we have to get right education. Government should have given much more money than it was that it were for education. Education needs a lot of money. Number one, education needs right education. Right education should be given to children. And if our education system is right, our education system goes up to global mark, definitely changes will come to us, and we will immerse ourselves as a global citizen. Then we will justify what Vivekananda says, brothers and sisters of America. Why brothers and sisters of America? Because Vivekananda had reason to prove that these people are also our own brothers and sisters. So this kind of feeling when comes, you win. And then our freedom, the festival of Independence Day that we celebrate as festival will be justified. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Guys, this is the way we should prepare a speech for 15 August 19. So, this is a common chapter that everyone wants and it is in demand. So, I think this will be a lot helpful to you, to your brothers and sisters, or anyone who is preparing or going to school with this idea that he or she will have to speak something. This will be very helpful. So thank you very much. I will again see with another chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you.